Oh my God. Oh Christ. What if Gaga fell?
What if it goes backwards?
What if he slipped on the water like I did last year? You would laugh. Don't front like you ain't.
I wouldn't laugh.
Yes, you would.
I know.
You'd probably try to help him up, but then you'd be laughing like
Roughly.
you'd be laughing like I did when I accidentally tricked that little girl at Sears.
That was funny.
Yeah, but
I was trying to hurry up and run in the stall, but all the stalls smelled like dookie and they were full.
I bet the mother saw you trying to run away. And
She gave me a stank face. She was like,
maybe she was like, puta. Pinche puta. Maybe she wanted to spray in the face with a red bottle of booze. Oh my God. You know why that Advil thing that you said was funny?
no.
It was funny because of the way that you said it.
That was a funny.
Yes, it was funny. You said, if you take too much that's what you were about to say. If you take too much never mind, I'm not going to say it. Because then I'm going to be laughing really hard, then I'm probably going to cough, and I'm going to be like, oh, Jesus. And then I'm probably going to start talking like honey, and then you're going to laugh. Allah, Jesus, Father, help me. Da sambul, sang kambolakanu. Is that? Oh my God, Alicia. Alicia. What if the little girl I tricked to see her was honey? Oh, oh my God. I can't breathe. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm going to cough out my lungs.
You have tuberculosis?
What?
Tuberculosis is when you cough so hard you cough out your lungs.
What the hell? Christ. I keep, oh my,